지친 하루 끝 문득 들려온 너의 목소리 따뜻한 그 말 조용히 피어난 노란 봄 웃는 네 모습을 보면 괜히 심장이 빨라지고 너랑 걷는 이 길 위에 시간이 멈췄으면 해 눈빛 한 번이면 충분해 그 어떤 말보다 우린 깊이 이어져 지금 이 느낌 그대로 계속 바라볼래 조금만 더 이렇게 걷자 지금이 너무 좋아서 이젠 말해도 될 것 같아 널 향한 맘을 내가 먼저 다가가도 돼 그냥 옆에 있고 싶은 거야 I just wanna be close to you 그냥 이대로 자연스럽게 가끔 말 돌려도 한 번쯤은 웃어줘 괜히 애꿎은 두 번 만들었다 놨다 계속 붙어있고 싶다 바짝 넌 아무렇지 않은 척 그게 헷갈리게 만들어 눈빛 한 번이면 충분해 그 어떤 말보다 우린 깊이 이어져 지금 이 느낌 그대로 계속 바라볼래 조금만 더 이렇게 걷자 지금이 너무 좋아서 이젠 말해도 될 것 같아 널 향한 맘을 내가 먼저 다가가도 돼 그냥 옆에 있고 싶은 거야 이건 설렘보단 조금 더 조용한 기분 너도 나처럼 생각할까 네가 웃는 걸 보면 천천히 나도 모르게 I just wanna be close to you 지금 이 느낌 그대로 계속 바라볼래 조금만 더 이렇게 걷자 지금이 너무 좋아서 이젠 말해도 될 것 같아 널 향한 맘을 내가 먼저 다가가도 돼 그냥 옆에 있고 싶은 거야 지금쯤은 알아줬으면 네가 모를 리가 없거든 하루 종일 너만 생각해 Another new day
What's that stuff?
Cream cheese.
Where's the gnocchi?
And there.
I just want mine.
Yeah, because just us.
What's that? Brown bead stuff.
The one I put in the salad that you like. It's
I want to
protein
try some sauce.
sauce.
You catch all the sauce. And some of that brown stuff, please. You just wait.
It's not bad. Good.
Yep.
Hi, Baba. Welcome home.
So nearly ready.
Yeah. I'm gonna bake this.
Bake what?
I will put in the oven. Oh, not hot. Not hot.
Oh, for how long?
Not long.
Have one of them.
Yeah.
That one. A blood bomb. Masala.
Yep.
눈부신 저 햇살 어두운 밤 지나 찬란하게 빛나 I've been feeling down all night You tell me it's alright, it's alright need someone to save me. No, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away, I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car. Let me see who you are, who you really are. Yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry. 'Cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know. If you're gonna leave me, then just do it.
If you want more, there's more there, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks, Mom.
Thank you.
Welcome. It's hot.
What kind of pasta is this, Mom?
Ask Kuya.
Yeah, what kind of pasta?
Gnocchi.
Gnocchi. It's a potato.
It's a bit too hot still.
Told you it's hot.
Okay, good.
Good. Hot, hot, hot.
Has Dad and that left?
Yeah, they just left.
They're gonna be here at 1 or 10 or 11.
It's 6 o'clock now. 6, 7,
Why
8,
is
9, 10,
starting?
11. Or,
Mum.
yeah.
The concert
Probably
starts.
12.
Oh, yeah.
Mom, the concert starts now for Maya.
5:59 pa lang. Magsi-6 pa lang. But our clock is 6:05. That clock.
Mom,
Yeah, what did you do? Like,
training, kicking, drills, warm-ups, games.
2:40 na pala guys. Si Jan siya kasi sa kagabi dumating mga 12. What time did you come last night? 12? Yeah, 12:30. 12:30. So, ilalagay na to sa shed, yung ating caravan. Hindi ko pa sa inyo napakita na na-empty na lahat ng cabinets, pati yung mga damitan ng mga bata. Oh, nilak na kuya. Ayan. So, lalaban na lang to next time kasi wala pa akong time para laban yan. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung cabinet na na-empty natin siya. Yan yung mga gamit dito. Yan, wala na dyan. Nilak. Ah, hindi niya nilak. Okay. Ayan. Wala na rin yan na laman. Ay, eto ipasok ko to. Ito na lang. Fitbix. Dalhin ko yan. Yan lang naman. And dito. Yan, na-empty. Wala na yung laman. So, wala nang mag-expired. So, inempty ko na talaga yan. Dito may asin. Hindi ko na and sugar. Okay lang naman yan dyan. Hindi ko na siya inilabas kasi may sugar sa bahay. Pero pag kumulang, yan, pakuha ko na lang kayo dyan. And dito, yan, wala na itong laman. So, ang kanya na. Wala na siya. Then, dito, empty, empty, empty. Wala itong laman. Okay. And dito, yung apple vinegar. Dadaling ko yun sa loob. Yan na lang naman. Dito, wala. Naipasok na yung oil. Okay, wala na din dito. Empty na yan. And dito, kinuha na lahat ng mga nilagay dito. At ito, may iwan yung mga udi nila dyan. And dito. Yan. Yan na lang yung laman. Okay. Isa lang naman. Saka yung bag. Dito, yan na lang. Hindi ko naman yan kailangan. Kaya okay na. Si Jen, in-empty niya na yung kanyang, meron pa siyang shorts. Pang swimming niya raw yan. Huwag na natin galawin. Yung isa. Siya. Alright, okay na. Ito na, nakuha ko na rin dito yung mga pinamili ko. Yan, wala na dyan. Yan. Oh, good. Ito pa pala. Ito, pupunta ako sa laundromat kasi doon ko siya lalabhan. Pero next time ko na yung gagawin. Ito, empty na to. Kinuha na ng mga bata yung mga damit nila. First day pa lang nga. Yung kararating ba namin? Oh, the next day, si Sak. Ayan. Ito, si Kuya, kasi summer, winter, so sabi niya, dito na lang muna raw yan. Iko, okay. So, kunin nila pag summer na. Kasi hindi naman nila masusuot yung shorts. Ha? That's, I don't know, ba? Madali na siya kasi baka abutan siya ng ulan. It's everything close eh. Yung may sleepers. Ito pa pala. Chinilas natin. Is Kuya with you? Huh? And hinugasan niya na yan. Kita niyo din. Winash niya na yan. Para malinis na. Yung mga bedsheet na lang naman talaga yung... See you, Kuya. Love you. Ayan, ginamit niya yan. Ayan yung mga ginamit niya pag hugas ng car. Ay, ng caravan. Uulan na kasi. So, kailangan niya ng mga garahe yan. Okay. Bye-bye. Magluto na ako ng dinner. Time is 5:20. Nilabas ko ito kanina pa. Ito yung dapat na gagawin kong bulalo na akala ko beef. Ito yung ating chops. 4/4 chops. Yun lang ang binasa ko. Hindi ko binasa yung lamb. Ayan. Nung nag-grocery ako. So, i-defrost ko yan. And kunin ko yung ating patatas. Kasi yun naman talagang partner lagi ng meat ni Jan. Potatoes. Lutuin ko na to. Yung oven ko lang naman to. Tapos yung ating papaya tuloy. Patatas, mash, and veggies. I-defrost ko muna pala. Alam niyo, gamit na gamit na to. Gamit na gamit natin tong bagong plate natin. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, huwin dito. Yung isa. Yung nagasgas. Eto, grabe naman kasi siguro si Jan mag-cut. Tingnan nyo, nakikita nyo yung mga black marks. Hindi ko lang makikita nyo. Pero may mga siya dyan, may mga guhit-guhit na siyang black. So, ito na lang gamitin natin. Kasi siguro kung mag-slice si Jan ng, ewan ko ano yung in-slice niya dito na niluto ko. Nag-steak na ba tayo? Hindi pa, diba? Sausages. Ano pa ba? I-defrost ko lang ito. Wala na pala akong malalaking patatas. Yung baby potatoes to na Charisma. Pakulang ko na lang kaya siyang ano lang, yung half cook tapos i-air fry. Parang mash lang. Tapos gawan ko silang gravy. Tapos carrots. Yun na lang. Parang i-roast ko na lang ito, no? Kasi maliliit siya, oh. Maliliit. Nabusan na tayo. Yun na lang gawin. I-roast ko na lang yan. So, may carrots tayo. So, pagsabayin ko para sabay-sabay silang maluto. Kasi yung ating chops, ilalagay natin sa oven. Speaking of oven, finish ko na ito. Magaling ko lang lang yung mga pang-baking ko. Nag-cut din pala si Jan ng grass. Kaya, okay ko na yung grass natin sa labas. Si Kuya naliligo na. Si Sak kanina, umaga. Dumating siya mga 4 o'clock or 4:30. Sinundo siya ni Jan after niya malagay yung caravan. Nag-ride siya ng bike. Tingnan niyo yung ating potatoes. Ganun siya kaliliit. Ayan. Lalo na to, sobrang liit. Got tayong mga rice. Ha?
Hi, Mommy.
Ay, fresh na siya. Kabigo na siya.
In a Zanda. Mommy, you got your clothes are still in the caravan.
No, it's already here.
Oh, they're here.
Yeah.
You gonna wear this tonight?
What? The same.
My matching pajamas?
Gusto niya kayo mag-matching.
I've been waiting and you said in Yamba at home because it's more colder.
Yes, alright.
Yeah! Has to be perfect in my hair. I'm gonna do that. And
So, apat lang yung kasya dito sa aking pan.
Dad! And
So, dito ko i-roast yung ating veggies. Kunti pa, medyo matigas pa. And yung ating camera guys, nag-ano talaga, siguro isi-send ko to sa sa DJI. Paano ba? Basta tingin na lang ako. Kasi hirap yung gimbal, parang hindi niya matrace kung nasan, alam mo yun? Wala. Hindi siya okay. Nalilito siya. Tapos kailangan kong i-reset. Tapos eto, dito ko na lang din lulutuin yung natirang dalawa. So, lalagyan ko lang tong olive oil or avocado oil. Ayan natin yung salt, pepper, Yoy!
what, Mom?
Nothing.
Then why did you say, wait,
Oy!
go, Mom?
Na?
Wait, what's in here?
Carrots and potatoes,
What's that? For Dad?
chops, and then I have more here. Wow. Yeah, wow.
Is it going to be right?
Huh? Yes, I have rice. Potential on my rice.
What is this?
Yeah. Back to the kitchen now. Back to the kitchen now.
Yep, and you're making good food every single day. Wow. Mommy. How do you put this on?
Like that. Just like that. You just eat it like that. Careful. this is very hot. Okay. Baliktarin ko lang yung
It's
patata.
steaming in there.
I know. So don't touch. It's hot there. Tinanggal ko na pala yung nasa skillet. Ayan yung kulay niya. Ang ganda ng pagkaluto natin. Ilalagay ko lang dito sa ating air fryer. And yung ating tapos na din. Hindi pa siya ganun ka-brown pero luto na siya. Ayan, oh. Luto na siya, pero yung kulay niya, gusto ko katulad dun sa, dalawa. Ay. Kasi tingnan niyo, oh. Diba? Compare dun sa dalawa. Ay! Maputla. I-sear natin sila dito din. Maganda na yung kulay nila, oh, di ba? Same na dun sa dalawa. Ito yung dalawa. Oh. Lapit na kami kumain. Sinalin ko yung gravy dito para madaling ibuhos sa kanilang chop. Nakapaghugas na rin tayo dito.
Bad weather.
Oh, no pumpkin.
No, I didn't.
I'll just have potatoes.
Okay.
And no, none of them vegetables, please. Is the rice not done?
It's done yan.
Turn it
Excuse
off.
me, honey. Excuse me, it's hot.
Yeah, that'll be more one. Actually, no, I want one with a Leicester spoon.
That's bone. I can have the bone.
Okay.
I'll have that one.
Yeah, Papa.
I have.
Can I
I
get
guess
this?
it's
Can I get more rice?
yeah. It's kay Holy yan.
Where's my plate? This one, isn't it?
Daddy will have 2. Big boy.
Bad.
What's that? Hoy, kuya, did you cross? Did you cross it? Okay, good.
Dad! No, we should be.
Ayan na yung rice ni kuya, oh.
I think if I punch you in the face, would that hurt? Alright, yeah.
Sapa.
Where?
Sapa.
Here?
How do you hide the phone? Everybody. I'm on rice.
Hey, do you want some of this?
No. Right there!
May lamok na hinuhuli si Sak. Ayan na yung kay Johnny Boy.
Wow.
Kay Holly Girl. You're welcome, kuya.
I
Welcome.
killed 2 mosquitoes just then.
Ha?
I killed 2 mosquitoes just then.
Kasi binuksan ko yung yung tawag no, yung sliding door. Ang bibilis nila kasi kanina mausok dito. Sabi ko buksan ko para lumabas yung usok. Where? Ito pa naman napaka-sensitive sa ng mosquito. Yeah, we want this. Alright, let's eat.
Salamat po.
Walang anuman po. Save the bone for me if you don't like the bone. I can suck the bone. Ito yung akin, guys. Lagyan din natin siyang gravy.
Okay, Pa.
Thank you.
No. Joking, Pa.
Okay, kain tayo, guys. Tapos nang kumain, ayan yung kay Kuya. Kinuha ko lang yung buto-buto niya. And nagtimpla akong Choco Blast. Ito yung ating plate. Tapos nabusog na. Yung magkamuka, ayan.
I'm gonna add ice cream.
Yung apple pie na tira from Yamba. Kinuha ni dyan sa freezer. And nilagay ko dyan sa air fryer. And ayan yung ice cream. What do you mean it's not much? It's half, Kuya. My God.
Do you eat chocolate?
What do you want? Vanilla? Alright, magugas na ako.
Strawberry.
Don't need someone.
Good morning, guys! The next day, so kagabi, hindi ko na natapos yung vlog. And si Jan gagawa na ng pancakes yung mga bata. Siya nakapag, ano na siya, kumain siya ng Sultana brand. And ang pangit-pangit ng weather. Good thing na wala na yung caravan sa labas. I know. Yeah. Buti na lang talaga kasi just ang pangit ng weather.
Honey!
I see.
Can I give you $2?
$2 for what?
I wanna upgrade.
No!
I wanna get,
Look at your eyes! What you pay?
Huh?
What you pay? Gusto niyang mag-upgrade ako sa... What do you call that?
$2.
What do you call that?
PlayStation 4. It's only $2.
Yung nakasubscribe kasi, tapos gusto niyang mag-upgrade para
It's
marami. I say, no,
$2.
I don't want it. I'm gonna unsubscribe.
You
so
can't.
I can.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No, I need to.
No. Tingnan niyo yung mata niya. Show your eyes. Natamaan daw yan ng stick. Kahapon? Was it yesterday? What did you do? Tell them.
No, you know what?
What?
You know them, so,
Stop touching it.
Are
right,
you gonna make pancakes?
probably.
What?
What's it called? Oh, yeah. Me, bro, snapping stick.
Lucky
Like-
not in your... Are you sure not in the inside the eyes?
I can see out of it. but okay. And then the stick,
Maga.
it flung back at me.
You have to be careful. That's why I don't want you to go to ride a bike because you're doing...
Mum, you know you owe me 60 or something bucks.
Oh my God.
Yeah, you did.
Oh my God. Nagsisingilan
No,
na.
doesn't
Wow.
owe me 60 bucks.
For what?
Oh, yeah, because remember Queensland 5 years ago? I gave you 50 bucks because you didn't have any money.
What?
Cash.
Whatever. Singilan na dito, guys. Habang binabagyo kami. Walang bagyo. Malakas lang talagang ulan tsaka hangin. Tsaka sobrang lamig. Wala pa kaming wood.
I want the $2. It says upgrade. And
No, 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 no.
and
No.
it'll be fine.
No,
And
I
it'll
know.
be good.
Ah.
It comes with good games.
I don't
So
want it.
wait.
I don't want it.
I want it.
No. So, lutuan ko ng breakfast yung mga bata. Nilabas na to ni Sak and ininit niya na. Meron ko din yung pang pancake but, well, mainit na to. Ito na lang gamitin natin. So, ito pa yung dala pa natin to galing Yamba. Sa Yamba pa to nabili. Best before 9th of April 2026. And tingnan nyo, mayroon akong dalawang tagyawat dito. Kung ikita nyo, ayan. Ayan, ganyan yung gusto ni Kuya. Meron akong i-unbox. Dapat kagabi ko pa yan. Well, dapat nung pagdating pa nila, i-unbox ko yung
Pony, balloony, pony.
Andito na naman siya. Wait
So
lang.
pony. Hey, pony.
What did you do for mommy on Sunday? You and daddy?
Got a laptop.
Yes. So, i-unbox ko sa inyo. Dapat nung kahapon, kaso ang dami kong gawain pang bahay. So, ayaw ko muna siyang i-unbox. Gusto ko muna tapusin yung mga dapat tapusin dito. Then, kagabi, sabi ko, pag in-unbox ko to, hindi ko mapipigilan sarili kung mag-i-edit ako. Then, late na naman ako makakatulog. Sabi ko, ayoko ng late matulog. Kasi sa Yamba, ang sarap ng tulog ko, guys. Nakaka 8, 9, 10 hours. So, gusto ko...
I like it with extra butter on it.
Okay. Gusto ko yung tulog ko is like 8 at least, you know? Kaya, hindi ko in-unbox kagabi. Sabi ko, itutuloy ko na lang ngayon. So... Oh, Zaki! See? You don't flip. You know?
I'm doing mine.
You're doing yours.
Yeah, because I like how I make mine.
Guys, we're matching.
Ah, yes! Kasi request niya to kagabi, di ba? Gusto
Why
niya
do you
mag-match-match.
change clothes?
It has PJs that are dogs.
Ayaw nila mag-PJs, guys. Binibilahan ko silang PJs bago para mga PJs nila. Ayaw nilang magdamit. Yun lang yun. That's enough. Too much butter.
I like butter.
You want what? More butter?
I like butter.
So, how many stored before you got my laptop? 2 stores.
TJ! How many?
Give me that laptop, Baba. Ayan, ready na sana siya kagabi. Nandito na nga siya. Kasi sabi ko, after ko maghugas, i-unbox ko. No, give it to me. No. Give me the box. Sak. Just give me the box.
Hey guys, want to...
Yeah, I know. You might drop it.
Look guys.
Ito, na-drop mo. Alright, just put it back. Mamaya na lang. Kasi, itong is...
Here you go, Papa.
Did you vlog?
A little bit. But you don't like it.
Nag-vlog siya. Ay, nako. May hilo kayo. Insert ko.
Do you want me to put it back?
Yes, please. That's enough na. I'll get your plate.
This pancake ain't really good.
Yeah.
TJ's having this one.
This one. How about you, Baba? How many?
Two.
I have kiwi sack in the fridge. You want kiwi?
I have two.
And I have blueberries there.
Yeah. But Mom, I thought that was your only food to eat.
It's alright.
Kiwi. I got it.
Wait, did I have to put the butter in first?
Yeah. So, a little backstory about sa ating laptop habang nagluluto to. Di ba naghanap ako dito sa town, wala ako nakita. Merong available yung black. And ang gusto ko talaga is 1 terabyte tsaka silver. That's too high. I'm just gonna turn off first.
Is that not burnt edges, remember?
Yeah, here. And
Yeah, that's good.
pumunta nung Saturday kasi napag-usapan namin over dinner.
See, that's how like mom
Sabi-
makes bubbles.
Yeah, of course. You have to wait bubbly before you
We're
flip.
not having the, I want this one.
Wow. Good? Sana ba tayo? Ang daming distraction.
Mommy, I
Do we not have cream?
Yes, we do have cream there, kuya.
Cream? Do we have jam? No.
Yes, we do.
Wait, do we have jam? No, we don't have jam.
Yes, we do. I just
No, we don't.
unless it's finished.
We never had jam.
Yes, we do. I bought some.
Yes, we did.
The bad one.
No, not the bad. There.
Where's the cream?
So, what's your pancake?
Yeah, I am full.
This one. This is the maple syrup. It's burnt.
TJ likes that, don't you?
I'll have that.
Alright.
See, funny that. That's how I make my cake.
Okay, so, yun na nga. Pumunta tayong Harvey Norman's, Big W, and pumunta pa nga
Big
Fels.
W?
Yeah, to look for my
What?
laptop. Remember? I've been looking for my laptop.
In Big W?
Yeah, but they only have air. Yeah.
What is fake?
No, there's not fake. Wala siyang tiwala sa mga, gusto niya talaga sa, JB High, and then,
It's not cool.
sa mga, electronics. Pag Big W, akala niya, mga damit lang yan,
Yeah,
tsaka shopping
Who
ng
made that one?
mga, huh? That's yours.
Wait, that one looks good.
Yeah.
Here.
Mommy, I don't like mine.
Okay, I will cook yours.
I'm cooking mine now, Tony.
Okay.
First,
Butter first.
I need butter.
Alright.
It's oldest to youngest.
So, nung Saturday, nabanggit ko kayo, sabi ko, I cannot find laptop here, hon. And then, the guy from Harvey Norman told me that I can go to Computer Bits to fix my laptop, but it depends kung gaano ka severe, and then wasn't sure kung mapi-fix, and also it will take like few days, week,
When are you
depende.
putting? Is that my laptop now?
Yun ang sabi ko. Tapos John suggested na tumingin daw ako malapit kung saan magti-training si Zach. Tingin daw ako ng JB High 5 na malapit doon. And may nahanap ako na malapit doon kung saan magti-train. Malapit lang sa city. You train near the city, right? Yeah, so malapit doon. So, pumunta sila. And then what the guy said, Zach knows what happened when you went to JB. What the guy said, they don't have.
They don't have any in stock until August
Until,
13th.
and then it's nationwide, right?
Nationwide.
Huh? Nationwide, right? That was they said. Like, it's no laptop. Doon sa specific na gusto ko.
In
Kasi,
Australia.
in Australia, yun ang sabi. Kasi tumawag si Jan, sabi niya,
That's
pinaparinig,
why it has no bubbles in it.
pinarinig niya sa akin yung conversation nila para, kasi baka sabihin ko, baka gawa-gawa ko lang ni Jan. So, yun nga, sabi nationwide daw. Sa August 13, Saki? August 13, sa?
Yeah.
August 13 daw magdi-deliver nationwide kasi out of stock. Kasi yung akin, ang gusto kong laptop is
This one?
gray. Yes, gray. And then M4 Pro 1 tera M4 Pro 24 gigabytes and 1 terabyte. So sinulat ko pa yan sa papel.
14 inch.
14, it's specific talaga para alam talaga ni Jan, ipapakita niya nila kasi si Jan hindi naman maano sa computer. So, sinulat ko, and si Zach alam niya na rin naman.
I'm not having
Yeah, it's alright. Yun. Tapos, pumunta sila, pinarinig niya. So, what we gonna do? What I'm gonna do now? They don't have, and then,
Yeah, she doesn't want black.
no, they don't have even black.
Yeah, I know, but like, if
Yeah.
it was, there wasn't. So you
Yeah,
just
kahit
have
black wala. Dito sa Harvey Norman, merong black, 512 gigabytes yung available. Eh, ang gusto ko, 1 terabyte kasi nga, para hindi ako maubusan ng space. Although, meron akong external hard drive. Mas gusto ko pa rin malaki yung space kasi mahaba ang vlog ko, guys. 40 minutes, di ba? Minsan yung napapanood nyo, 40 minutes, 50 minutes, edited na. Yung pag hindi yan edited, 2 to 3 hours yan. So, kailangan ko ng malaking, space sa laptop. So, kaya 1 terabyte ang gusto ko nang kunin. Kasi yung laptop ko, siguro 2018-19 ko yan nabili.
That was your old one.
I think that was M2? I wasn't sure.
So you got 2 higher.
Yeah. Yeah. So, yun. So, merong, kasi noon, ang choice lang ata, hindi ko sure ha. Nung bumili kasi ako noon, 2018, 2019 ba? Basta matagal na rin yung laptop ko, guys. Ang pinili ko is, yung pinakamataas ata.
Look at how
Basta kinuha ko 8 gigs, tapos 512 gigabytes, kasi may 200. So, ang kinuha ko, 500. Hindi ko alam kung may terabyte na before. So, ngayon, mayroon ng terabyte. 1 terabyte. Tapos, meron kasing choices na ngayon eh. May MacBook. Kasi noon, MacBook lang. MacBook Air. Ngayon, may MacBook. May MacBook Pro chips. And may Macro Max. Yung Max, yun ang pinaka-like super high level na yun na na laptop. So, ang kinuha ko lang yung middle, yung Pro. Basta 1 terabyte and 24 gigs. Meron kasi 16 gigs, 24 gigs, may 34 gigs. So, yun yung aking pinili is yung middle lang. And, where you went after that talk to the guy from JB Hyper? Kasi tumawag din siya sa ibang, kasi meron din kasi JB Hyper sa iba-ibang part ng Adelaide. So, tumawag. Wala talaga silang stock. Tapos sabi ko, sinadjust ko dyan, why don't you go to Apple Store? Kasi malapit lang naman sa city, sa Randall Mall yon. So, did the guy call the Apple Store or you went to the Apple Store right away?
Dad said, do they have it at the Apple Store?
So, you went to Apple Store.
So is that cutting easy?
So, pumunta sila sa Apple Store kasi yun ang suggestion ko. Sabi ko, it's impossible. Kasi sa online, guys, yung available is 500 gigs. Tapos, yung 1 terabyte, ang sinasabi is, yung delivery nga, hindi alam kung may stock, depende raw. So, hindi ako maka-order online din ng 1 terabyte kasi nga, yung delivery, tas yung stock kung available. Ayaw kong mag-risk kasi gusto kong makuha talaga yung laptop. Mas gusto ko nga dito kong mabili para pag uwi ko, dala ko na. So, pumunta si dyan sa Apple Store. And, why the guy ring me from the Apple Store?
That was a scam.
Whatever.
No, it was. That's what the guy said.
Ito, laging is
You thought, nah, I don't know.
So, yung guy, tumawag sa akin, tapos munti ko na
I
hindi,
feel like this one's gonna be perfect.
munti ko na hindi sagutin. Kasi Sydney, sabi ko, ano naman ang gagawin ng Sydney? Kasi hindi naman kasabi Apple Store. Sydney lang, sabi ko, wala naman akong hinihintay na tawag from Sydney, wala naman. So anyway, sinagot ko siya. Tapos nagpakilala siya from Apple Store. Her husband, John, is here in the Apple Store. Tapos sabi ko, nasa Adelaide si John. Bakit
I'll be back.
Sydney yung number? So anyway, so tinanong niya ako. So John told me that you are looking for this and that.
Mom, after I go toilet, that will be good. To flip.
So tinawagan, yun, sabi niya, what?
Thanks.
You're welcome. Tapos na si Kuya. So, tinawagan niya ako. And sinabi niya na si John nga eto. Tapos, tinanong niya ako, are you aware about the MacBook? Do you know that there's a Kuya? Yes, I am aware that there is M4, M4 Pro, and M4 Max. And tapos tinanong niya ako, where you gonna use your laptop? Sabi ko, I do editing. Okay. So, tinanong niya lang ako. Siguro, nagtataka siya, bakit ang taas ng ng space na kinukuha ko.
Oh, yes!
Wow.
TJ! Have a look at this!
Oh, no, it's burn.
Burn edges, honey.
Is that
TJ!
is that the one you're looking for?
Have a look at this.
Proud na proud. Proud na proud siya. Nagluluto lang kayong pancakes, guys.
That's the one I had.
You see?
Mine was better.
And these.
Do you want me to help you or you're right?
I'm alright.
Okay. After niya, unbox ko na yung ating laptop.
I'm gonna use all of the keywords that are left. And Mum,
Yeah, good, nice.
Mum, but the cream lid's not.
Alright. Ayan, tapos na tayo mag-unboxing. Palobat siya. And medyo heavy. Hindi medyo heavy siya. Heavier than my old one. And wala siya yung dito, yung touch. Hoy, yung touch. You like this? You said you don't like the color. It's too white.
No, I only like that thing.
Don't touch that. Tapos yung kanyang kanyang charger ay iba na rin. Tingnan. Oh, careful. Ayan.
Have this.
Yeah. See, ganun na siya.
Pin lang.
And then, mas magandang
So
kulay
that
nito.
other laptop,
Yeah.
what about that? That one that I just put back. It
Kinuha
still
niya,
works.
it's flat, but it's very slow. Meron
So
na
I'm
akong,
charging it right now.
are you?
Yeah, I want to see if it works.
Oh.
It's in my room though. I got the charger. No, I gotta have that charger.
Don't mix it up because I don't know which one is which.
You
Kasi,
can tell because that one has touch and that one doesn't, and that
alright.
one.
I-charge ko muna to and i-set up ko. So, iba yung charger niya. So, dapat, hindi natin to makalimutan. Kahit saan tayo pumunta. Kasi yung charge, ay hindi tulad nung sa mga Android. Kasi yung Android, tsaka yung Apple ko ngayon, pwede ako mag-charge. Same lang yung adapter ba? Ito, iba na. Oh, ganyan na siya. And meron na siyang lalagyan ng SD card. Ayan, meron na siyang lalagyan ng SD card. Parang yung pinaka-old kong laptop. First time kong laptop. Ganito, may ganito, i-insert lang yung SD card dyan. So, mayroon siyang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 7. Ano kaya Ito sa earphone. We'll see. But ito yung charger. Dito natin isasaksak yung charger.
Because I think I do want you next to me.